So another tool in the toolkit here is a universal closure strip. Closure foam. This is made for hips and valleys. ASC should sell it. Male Sales should carry it. Pretty much anybody that deals with metal roofing and valleys. The nice thing is it is designed to fit inside that Norclad Delta rib profile. It's real soft, so it will compress. It can also be used and adhered on the back here. So if you have a situation, like I said, we'd like to avoid it, but if you have a situation where a hole falls directly on a rib, then that closure strip can be adhered directly onto the back of a hood. You can also make out of some J trim, just make a little header. That header will be attached here in the right place. And then in theory, with that header attached, we would be able to screw into our header and screw through the sides, and our closure strip would compress. And so we would be attached in 4 points up at the corners and at 2 spots here in the bumps. So there are other options, but clearly anytime we can get centered in these valleys, it's going to make life a lot easier, because there is going to be some labor dealing with this header and some compromises with trying to seal around the edges. The main part of our system is that it's our trim ring and the caulking up here at the top that provides our primary weather barrier. So if a little bit of wind-driven rain and such gets back past here, that's okay, because everything back here behind the rain screen, all of the ceiling here should stop that. In addition, we're also going to caulk the back side of this ducting, so we have additional Barabond going in on the sheathing. So we'll move on to the back side and talk about some of the details and work that needs to happen to get the vapor retarder on there and to seal the ducting from the back.